What's up, guys? Always a pleasure to have you here on the Mr.DiGG channel. It's Friday afternoon. I'm happy. It's been a long daggum week. Let's go see what comes in the last hour at the landfill. Maybe ride on the 826C. Who knows what we'll get into. Man, at the air conditioners. Hey, got somebody a brand new lawnmower too. Check this bad boy out. There don't look like a whole lot wrong with that, honestly. Huh, interesting. Got us a rake, some cyclone fits. Old tractor trailer coming in with Thompson. We still got a little puddle out there in the middle. We got some storms headed towards us now. I got the wind slayer on the GoPro, so hopefully the wind doesn't mess with the video too much. We've got a stuck dually here, looks like. David's gonna track the Hyundai 160 over there and help him out. One of our upstream trucks just dumped out a little bit of lumber. And I think what we're gonna have to do, guys, because the dig, we're still behind there. We're gonna have to come with trash, start way back yonder, build us up a 15-foot lift or so, and bring the trash out back this way to buy us some time to dig out some more sand. Kick that mule. Yeah, got some body parts, some bumpers. Hola, ¿cómo estamos? Let's see, we got an 826C down in the bottom, just compacting. Well, should be compacting trash, just sitting right now. Somebody, probably Nick, I think, still trading on the Komatsu. Probably got Ivan in the John Deere 750, blading the ramp out. Got our Volvo trucks running, still moving that chalk material. I was hoping it was going to take a dive. You can see right there that curvature of the geology in that wall. Looks like it was going to dive, but now I see it going back up, which is bad. A little bit of sand on top, a little bit of sand clay on top of the sand, but a lot of kaolin white chalk material still yet to go. Let's see what Thompson brought us. So they're a local demo company. I would assume this is just a big load of all demo material. Some PVC pipe. You got to be real careful if you're standing close to this stuff right here. When that compactor hits it, this stuff will explode like a bomb. Got our main man, Antonio, crushing trash today. Hey, that'll be a good Cruncho Vision load. Let's go catch it. Man, look at this cable, y'all. Probably about 20 feet or so. Some nice, looks like half-inch cable. All right, Ryan, don't start grabbing out junk. I got enough stuff in my garage as it is. The tractor trailer's trying to find him a good level spot. That's a 60-yard plus dumper, maybe even 80. He's got to get real level because those things will get tippy. What's up, my friend? I'm doing great. How are you today? Oh yeah? Oh yeah. I'm going too fast, ain't I? We don't need that on a Friday afternoon.
No,
we don't need that. What you got for us today? Some demo?
Yeah, some demo.
We like it.
Old pole barn, that's really all it is.
Okay. Finally Friday, buddy. Payday.
Yes, sir.
Is this a 60 or 80 yard? 60, okay. All right, don't tip over.
Try to dump it all before I get to the next spot right there.
There you go. We'll watch out for you. There go the body parts. I don't know where the dozer's at today. Either it's overheated or they buried it or it's over there getting fueled up. I ain't exactly sure. Let's back up just a hair a bit. Stuff comes out of here, it likes to flop over and smack you in the head. Should let go any second now. We gotta watch out for him because he knows there's a little dip. right up there, but hopefully all of this will come out before his trailer makes it to that little pothole. Oh, one piece of dang concrete hung up in the top. You might be able to shake it out. Let's see. Oh, in the pothole. I don't know if that piece of concrete is gonna come out anyway. One piece of concrete. There's just one piece of concrete hung up at the very corner. I don't know if it's gonna come out. All right. Yeah, that was a counterweight. Have a good weekend, bud. We'll have to get that tire out. The tires have to be cut down to 1/6 of the size before they can be landfilled. Believe it or not, tires will come back up to the surface. I don't know how they do it, but if any of you guys are in the landfill business, y'all can leave us a comment below. How in the world does a tire make it up through all that trash? It seems physically impossible, but they will come right back up to the top. That compactor ain't doing a lot of compacting sitting down there, is it? We're gonna have to get some radios out here so I can wake the operator up. But you can always count on Antonio rolling. That joker never stops. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all ride with him. Antonio, your subscribers, they want to ride with you. I'm gonna put them on top of your cab. All right. Don't lose them. All right, y'all hold on good. Thank you, sir. Good, we didn't lose another GoPro. That's a bumpy ride, man. I tell you what, these guys drive these things all day long. They got my respect. This hill, a lot steeper than what it may seem. Richie will take his machine over there. You see all that loose trash right there? End of the day, we try to compact all the stuff that's loose. Well, all day long we try to compact the stuff that's loose, but especially at the end of the day, just to get it all walked in. This looks pretty good. We got some bulky stuff out there that you really can't do anything with. But for the most part, it's walked in and ready for Saturday business. This looks like some more shingles coming in. That's still a constant, believe it or not, from the hurricane last year. They just started November of last year and just never did stop. You would think all the homes would be repaired by now, but they just keep coming. David's got a pile of metal out today though. Good gracious. What is this thing? A PP positioner. I could make some jokes about this thing, but I probably would get demonetized on YouTube. Very interesting. Have no idea what that is. I do, however, know that it's almost 5 o'clock. And after this week, I'm ready to go home, guys. I appreciate you watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you don't mind, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.